Everyone thinks Caveman is silly for his choice of lifestyle. When they see his cave, they're instantly won over. Hi there and welcome to Why and How. I'm Scott Leffler and I'll be your guide today. If it's your first visit, make sure to like our video and hit that subscribe button, and let us know what you think in the comments section below. Most of us are fortunate enough to live a relatively comfortable life, all things considered. This is in no small part down to great development and intelligent inventions over the years. Today we have it all: electricity, unlimited clean running water, comfortable furniture, advanced machines to make our lives a little bit easier, you name it. Obviously, this wasn't always the case. For a substantial portion of our history as a species, humans were forced to live in caves and huts, surviving off the land and seeking shelter where they could find it. For one man, Angelo Mastropietro, who lives in Worcestershire, UK, that's not such a bad thing. In fact, he actually left his life of comfort and ease in Australia as a successfully self-employed man because he felt he needed to shake things up. How'd he do it? Well, his journey of change led him to a cave. When Angelo was diagnosed with MS, he began to think about what he could actually do with his life. 10 years prior to that, by chance, he'd come into contact with an old cave. It was during a bike ride when he was suddenly caught up in a heavy rain and sought some refuge. From the moment he entered the cave, he felt like there was something magical about it. According to the Daily Mail, the cave is 250 million years old. When the rain stopped, Angelo left, but he knew he would return. After his MS diagnosis, the time had come. At first, the cave didn't look like much, but with a lot of elbow grease and a fair amount of money, Angelo was able to transform the outside. Impressive, right? But wait till you head in. Angelo purchased the cave, part of a row of living spaces said to be the oldest inhabited rock houses in Europe, for £62,000. That left him £100,000 to spend on renovation costs, with the project taking him 8 long months. Since then, the house had been featured in several newspapers, including Britain's Daily Telegraph. Thanks to Angelo's exhaustive efforts, the cave now contains all the comforts one would want in a luxury getaway. From running water to the internet, the place has it all. I have to admit, it looks magnificently decorated. Wouldn't you agree? I mean, who wouldn't want to sit in front of this fireplace? As for the kitchen, it's equipped with both appliances and wooden furnishings, with an eye on maintaining consistency throughout the cave in terms of decor. Then there's the bedroom, which looks out onto the outside patio, and the lighting in the place, simply magical. Would you like to spend some time here? I know I would.